I'm Dr. Dave Armstrong. I'm a low vision optometrist in Virginia. If you have impaired vision, your doctor may have told you that nothing can be done to help you. But you've heard about low vision doctors who help people with impaired vision see better so that they can accomplish tasks that are important to them. Well, how do you find a doctor who can help you? Some doctors who state that they offer low vision care may not be the best choice for you. Here's my recommendation for locating the doctor who is most likely to be able to help you with your impaired vision. First of all, Google low vision doctor or low vision specialist. That will give you names of doctors near you who offer low vision care. You may want to expand your search by Googling low vision doctor or low vision specialist in your state. Now you've got a list to work with. The second step is to look at their websites. You'll find that some of their websites give a lot of space to information about how they help people with low vision. Others give little or none. It doesn't really look like low vision is a very important part of their practice. Next, call the doctors whose websites give the most information about low vision. Tell the person who answers the phone that you have low vision and you'd like to speak with the doctor about your problem and how they might be able to help you. Low vision doctors who I know are happy to speak with patients before scheduling an appointment. Tell the doctor what's caused your vision problem and, most importantly, how it affects your daily life. Just tell them what's happening now. Don't give them your long history of eye problems. Notice if the doctor is truly listening or if they interrupt before you have an opportunity to explain your situation. Now that the doctor has your information, ask if they think they'd be able to help you. See if they offer any additional information. Now you've got the information that you need to determine which is the best low vision doctor to help you with your situation. Give them a call, make the appointment. I hope this information's been helpful to you. Good luck to you.